Imagine it's a big family dinner. Everyone's excited, the menu is planned, and now it's time to cook. But before anything starts, someone has to shop for ingredients. Someone else starts prepping, chopping vegetables, marinating, boiling water. The main dishes, side dishes, and dessert all need to come together at the same time. So timing is everything. Each person in the kitchen has a role, as we know. One is handling the oven, another is making the salad, someone else is in charge of plating, and they're all following recipes that tell them exactly what ingredients to use and what steps to take. Now imagine this same dinner without any organization. One person maybe thought they were cooking the pasta. Someone else started grilling the steak. There's no butter for the mashed potatoes because no one checked the ingredients list. The oven is full, so the dish that needed baking is just sitting there on the counter. Half the meal's ready, while the other half isn't even started. It's a complete mess. Now that's the difference between a workflow and utter chaos. In business, the exact situation happens all the time. Project starts, but no one knows who's responsible for what. One person finishes a task, but doesn't know who to pass it on to next. Someone else wastes time redoing work because they didn't know it was already completed. Deadlines get missed because a key approval was stuck in someone's inbox. Why? Because there's no clear workflow. Workflow is simply the step-by-step process that takes a project from start to finish. It's who does what and by when, and how things really move forward. In the kitchen, the recipes are like templates. They tell you the steps to cook the dish, but they don't tell you how everything should come together. The workflow is what makes sure that all the different dishes are finished at the right time and served as one complete meal. When you don't have a workflow, work feels random. Plain as that. People are busy, but things don't line up. It's like cooking without a plan. Something's always missing, and you're always scrambling at the last minute. When you define your workflow, everything flows smoothly. People know what they're responsible for, tasks move to the right person at the right time, and there's no confusion about what happens next. Just like a well-planned dinner, everyone works in sync, and the results come together perfectly. Think about the last time a project at work felt messy. Was it because people didn't know what to do next? Was it because steps were skipped or approvals took too long? That's a workflow problem. And the good news is it's fixable. Start small, pick one process that always feels frustrating. Maybe it's onboarding a new employee, or launching a marketing campaign, or even handling customer requests. Map out the exact steps from start to finish, and think about who touches it first, what decisions need to be made, and what happens next. Once you do that, you'll start to see the difference immediately. Work stops feeling scattered and everything flows smoothly, just like a perfectly timed meal.